Application-Specific Controller, or ASC, a direct digital control or DDC system device which may be configured for a narrow range of control applications and cannot be reprogrammed for use in different applications. Application-Specific Controllers, or ASCs, arrive from the factory with the basic operating system installed, as well as the control application software for a specific type of HVAC system. All of the control logic, as well as any input-output point names, come pre-programmed and ready to operate. These controllers typically have less memory capacity, less processing power, and fewer input-output options than freely programmable controllers. These limitations mean that an ASC designed to control an air handling unit, for example, cannot be repurposed to control a chilled water central plant. ASCs are typically less expensive to purchase and also less expensive to install, since they do not require the installer to write all the control logic. Configuration parameters such as set points, the number of stages of cooling, or the number of stages of heating can be changed, but the logic by which these values drive the outputs is predetermined in application-specific controllers.